Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week. So if not already subscribed to the channel, you know exactly what you have to do. Also, like this video and click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Now, in this video, we're taking a look at Facebook's Meta Quest 2. This device used to just be called Oculus Quest 2, but then Facebook rebranded it to Meta Quest 2 not so long ago. Now, this device was released 2 years ago, plus minus, but from what I've been reading, it's a device that actually keeps getting better even though it's already 2 years old. Now, in this video, we're gonna just be looking at what's inside the box, talk a little bit more about it, and maybe I'll do a future video where I do a review and I can actually get your guys' input down in the comments in this video to what you want to see on the review video, which is going to be following this one, maybe in a week or two or a month. I don't know, it's just gonna depend on how well this video does. So make sure you give a like. So let's see what's in the box. First of all, as you guys can see on the front, you have Meta Quest 2, and then you have 128 gig. They used to make a 64 gig model, but it was discontinued last year. Now they have this 128 gig model, and they have a 256 gig model. Now, full disclaimer, this device was given to me by my US. They actually gave me a voucher and told me to go and buy something for myself and use their services, just to highlight more on their services. As you guys know, I'm an ambassador, but obviously this video wasn't really sponsored. They just gave me the Amazon voucher and I went and splurged myself. Now, this device is also available locally in South Africa, but locally it's a bit expensive. You can find it for around 8,500 unless it's on sale. 8,500 to 10,000 for the other model. I got this guy on Amazon for $299, $300, and then send it to my US. From my US, I got it here in about 4 working days. Bought it on a Tuesday, got it on a Monday. All right, on top of the device, you have some of the items that's inside the box. As you can see, it says inside the box, you're gonna get the virtual reality headset. You get a silicone cover for a facial interface. You have 2 Quests, 2 touch controllers, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, glass spacer, and the charging cable. And as you guys can probably see here, it says Facebook account required. So if you don't have a Facebook account, you're gonna have to create one if you wanna use this device. At the back, you have some of the games that you can play. I think 2 of the games that I'm going to enjoy is Star Wars and Beat Saber, which I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to buy these games. And then you have some more information here. Next level hardware, easy setup, backwards compatible, and requires wireless internet access and Facebook account, and other gibberish down there that I'm not planning to read because I've read a lot as it is. Now let's jump inside the box and see what's up. Let's put that on the side. You might not even need it. Okay, so unbox time. I've actually have made a sort of virtual reality goggle video before. Those were those glasses where you actually have to plug in your phone for you to be able to access it. As I said in the beginning, this is all in one, which means you don't have to plug your phone for you to be able to see it. All the processing actually happens on the glasses itself or on the headset themselves. Okay, so guessing I have to slide the box or the top on the side. Yeah, that's accurate. Let's slide this guy on the side so we can reveal the actual brown box inside. So again, Meta Quest 2, that's the only thing you'll be getting in this box. Then you have a dash there showing you that you have to maybe open right here. Okay, open right here. You open from the top. So let me turn it on your guys' side. This is how you open it. So Ta-da! Nice. So it has a white cardboard on top of sort of the glued to the brown one, just for that extra support, also for this piece here. And then you have a little plastic tab here. So inside the box you get some instructions on how to remove the plastic from the remote so it can plug in, how to turn on the device itself, and if you guys can see that properly, and then it shows you how to resize the strap. So you have a box, which I'm assuming is a box of accessories. You have one of the remotes itself, or touch pad, how do they call it? Let me just double check here. It's a Quest Touch controller, Quest 2 Touch controller. So you have one of them there on the side. You're going to put the other one here also, and you have the headset itself. Oh, actually you have the glasses sort of attachment and the headset. Okay, so these are the glasses attachment, and then you have the Quest device itself, quite small, actually smaller than what I thought it would be. This is my iPhone 12 mini, as you guys can see, iPhone 12 mini comparison size. And yeah, just so I can give you some perspective on the size. Okay, I guess that's it from the box. We close that, and before we just play around a little bit with the devices itself, let's see what accessories are included in the package. I'm assuming this is the reference guide, and then you have a safety warranty guide. The reference guide probably is going to show us what you can do with the device and how to do a few different things. Yeah, we don't read this unless we get stuck. So let's put that on the side. And then you have the power brick. This is an American plug power brick, as you guys can see, with those funny flat pin. And then you have a USB-C to USB-C cable, which looks a little bit short. This is probably 1.2 meter cable, same size as the iPhone cables. Let's put that on the side and take a little bit of a look to the actual device. Okay. You have some sort of, yeah, they are camera. I think these are camera sensors. They have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is for spatial awareness, so the glass can tell where you are in a certain area, I'm assuming. Okay, you have, this is the silicone. I think this is mostly to protect the, what you call this, to protect this area here, because this area here sort of a foam material, and this thing, if you sweat, it might actually cause it to stink after a while. So I'm guessing this one, or this rubber material, yeah, the rubber material will go around it just for extra protection. Okay, so if you pull this guy here, this is the strap itself. This is the strap itself, which you can adjust from the top. So you undo that, and then you can adjust here. If you have a big head like mine, you're gonna have to have it in the biggest settings. And then you have the actual lenses on the inside right there with plastic, which I'm going to remove whenever I actually use the device. I'm gonna try and plug it in just to see what's up, but what I mean by use is when I actually get games. And this is the controller. I actually like how, oops, I just dropped the glasses. Okay, these are the remote. Am I even holding them in the right? Yeah, I'm holding them right, because you can't really hold them. Like this doesn't make sense. So you hold them like this. Again, on the remote, you have the Meta logo here, the other Meta logo here. Fun fact, Meta is getting sued by a crypto company because their logos are similar. This is something that I just saw not so long ago. But yeah, in the remote itself, you have YXBA, and you have a joystick, you have the trigger down here, and then you have this guy over here. So yeah, so this is probably R1, R2 if you're talking about maybe PlayStation remote, and then R1, R2, L1, L2. All right, and then you have another button here. One says 0, the other one has 3 dashes. Okay, that's basically what you're gonna be getting in the box. Let's just put this so you guys can see how it fits me. Okay, although it's not on, yeah, I see big head, so you have to adjust the strap. Pull this one closer, pull this one closer, and voila. But because it stretches, it should be good. Okay, so if this adjustment here on the side is going to be for it to fit this way, and the adjustment on top is obviously for it to fit up and down. So one is side to side, the top one is up and down. As you guys can see, actually it fits really well. How do I look? Is this actually a good thumbnail? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment. All right, this is gonna be it for this unboxing. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to know about this so I can cover on the review video. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram for my weekly reels. I make reels over there. The last reel actually went live this morning, this Tuesday morning when I'm recording this video. This video should go up maybe at night today. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. Also, click the notification bell button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Peace.